come on. You can smell it.
Yeah, you can smell it.
You can smell it in your fucking air.
So what's your circumstance?
My ex-partner used to beat me, so I had to leave.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
That's not. I won't
Gave
accept
me
it.
brain damage and epilepsy.
Sometimes, you know?
Is drugs a big thing in Croydon?
Drugs, I don't know about the drugs.
It is?
But it is, I heard about
Big time?
Big time, yeah.
Why you say that?
Well, because, come on, you can smell it.
Yeah, you can smell it.
You can smell it in your fucking air.
Nah.
Come on, you can smell it.
Yeah, you can smell it.
You can smell it in your fucking air.
About Croydon.
Croydon?
Yeah.
Croydon is different. Croydon is different.
Like 20 minutes, half hour, they'll be alright.
Yeah?
You'll notice when he's coming back round because the colour will come back in his face.
Come on, you can smell it.
Yeah, you can smell it.
You can smell it in your fucking air.
And how long has he been there?
I think probably about an hour.
What is spice?
Something green, I don't know what I see. The other time she used to say smoking, I said sometimes joint. Say what you mean weed, I said yes. This is the smoke away. What it means spice, I don't know.
He says you can
Don't
smell.
fucking feel
He
good
said.
about it. I'm gonna
He'll be alright. She's got weight. She's got weight now. He's be alright.
Spice.
Croydon.
Yeah.
Croydon is different. Croydon is different than Brixton.
Why? Why is it different from Brixton?
Because Croydon, a lot more rich people and but everyone closed off.
Is there a
so-
struggle here in Croydon? Is it a struggle?
No. It's all right. But it's just different. Just way different.
We're at the train station now. What's wrong with this guy here behind us?
This guy is drunk. Basically, he drink a bit too much.
And how long has he been there?
I think probably about an hour.
So I'm gonna cook some soup. I've got my pulley here with me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cook some soup.
Yeah.
I'm gonna feed the people them in Croydon today. Because the people them need love and the people them need food.
Yes,
Because
yes.
guess what I go on? The whole of Croydon, we're here in West Croydon. This is the trenches.
Yes, you
This is
get
the
a
this,
blessing.
this is the ghetto of ghetto right now.
Yes,
so
yes.
so we're in the ghetto of ghetto, and we're gonna try to fix up the ghetto right now.
Yes.
Is that your friends them across the road there as well?
I don't really know them, you know. But past them, I say hello, you know.
You see, the guy there in the blue, I feed him more time as well.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, he come and get food for me more time as well.
That's good. That's a good thing to doing, man.
So are you homeless?
I'm not homeless at the moment, but I live in a share accommodation.
Yes.
But it's quite all right there. But sometimes I do need the food. Sometimes, you know.
Is drugs a big thing in Croydon?
Drugs. I don't know about the drugs.
It is?
But it is. I heard about
Big time?
Big time, yeah.
Why you say that?
Well, because come on, you can smell it.
Yeah. You can smell it.
You can smell it in your fucking air.
Nah.
Huh?
He says you can
Don't
smell.
fucking feel
He
good.
said.
I'm going to run, yeah.
Alright, bless. Mate, look, we've got the Ringo Vision hat on today, people, yeah, and the gentleman behind us there on the floor, people, yeah. Look, there's a lot of happenings out here in Croydon, and there's a lot of circumstances, and his circumstances seems like it's a spy circumstances. Yeah. And as you can see, the person that was walking around in Croydon a few weeks ago on the channel that was moving like a zombie is no different to this gentleman behind us because he smoked the spice, and this is what it does to you. It's like it takes your whole life force away. You understand, people, yeah? So keep yourself safe, you understand? You understand things that you're not supposed to take, you understand? Look after your body, look after your health, and look after your wealth, people, yeah? One love, we're in the trenches, we're in the jungle of Croydon today right now, people, yeah? I just want to show you what I go on air. It's raining. Happy New Year to everybody that's watching right now, people, yeah? And blessed love to each and every one of you. Yeah, man, we'll make it into the new season, people, yeah? And let's keep the thing going. The kitchen is on the go, people, yeah? The marathon's on the go, people, yeah? And we have 1 million people to feed. That is it. And good vibes. So where we are right now, people, yeah, is a lot of people describe this part of town as New Jack City. You understand? If you know where New Jack City is, people, yeah, then you know what I'm talking about. And if you've ever seen the movie New Jack City, this is more or less a live inside of it. Yes, sir. Huh? He's wow. Look. Yeah.
Scenario and all that.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm on my phone. Well, fuck you.
It's terrible to get this type of behaviour here, people, yeah, on on your local streets, you understand? People that have taken substances that their body can't fathom, you understand, people, yeah? And this is what the reality and this is what the outcome is, people, yeah? It leaves people in situations like this, you understand? It's crazy. It's not a good look, people, yeah? There's a lot of people out here that need medical help. They need help from alcoholism. They need help from drug addiction. They need help from mental breakdown, mental health. You understand, people, yeah? So we're on the mission right now, and you understand, it's a new year, and we're gonna tackle the crisis that we see around people, yeah, and that we come across. One love, people, yeah. Do you need something hot to drink, mate? Can I get you a hot chocolate or a cup of coffee or something? Yeah, you need to rise up off the floor. Try and get some strength and some energy. Should I get you a coffee and dregs? You know, hot chocolate? You want a croissant or something? Something in your stomach? Need something to eat? You want some water? You want some water, brother? You want some water? Water? Yeah. Let me get you some water, yeah? Yeah, jump up. Try and get the strength. Yeah, the energy reach you. Try and get the strength and jump up. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Jump up. You get something, Greg. Let me get him a hot drink. So basically, you're not on camera, but can you just say what's happening? You're not on your face, not on camera.
He smoked spice and he's gone over, but we've just got to wait time for him to come back round to himself again, innit?
So basically, what you're saying, if he doesn't, even if you give him water or something.
No, I don't help him, bro. A bit of sugar sometimes brings him back a little bit, but it's a time thing. You just got to wait for it to wear off. It's like, you know, if someone's drunk on alcohol, you can't bring them back, innit? Even caffeine don't really bring them back, does it?
Yeah.
Same sort of thing, bro. You just got to wait for it to wear off. Take 20 minutes, half hour, they'll be alright.
Yeah?
You'll notice when he's coming back round because the colour will come back in his face.
Okay.
So he look all pale, innit?
Because he was lying down. Well, as I was talking to him, he started to slowly rise back up.
Yeah, no, he's not totally unconscious, bro. He's there, but he'll be alright. Just got to wait.
So,
He's be alright.
Spice?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright,
You'll
cool.
be alright, bro.
Alright, cool, no problem. Alright, so that's that then, people, yeah? Respect. Yeah. What is spice?
Something green, I don't know what she. The other time she used to say smoking, I said sometimes joint. They what you mean weed? I said yes. They said you don't go away. Spice. What that means spice? I don't know.
So as the gentleman said, there's not much that you can do for someone like this, as long as he's not gone OT and overboard. But what's happening right now, yeah, is that his body's probably gone into some form of trance, and in like 20 minutes, half an hour, 45 minutes or so, his body will come back round again. Yeah, his body will come back round again. So yeah, man, you just have to leave them to it. I'm gonna go out now, people, yeah, and continue on the mission, people, yeah. But I just want to show you a bit of what's actually happening out here on our streets. You understand? We're there, so people, yeah. We're in the heart of the trenches. You understand? Yeah, man, in the heart of the trenches, and they say that, God, this is New Jack City, people, yeah. So anything can happen. You see that man there earlier said that, I said, is there drugs here? He said, you can smell it in the air. So people are taking a whole different type of substances that their body not supposed to be taking, people, yeah. A good vibe, so we're outside. Yes, man, happy new year to everybody that's watching right now, people, yeah. We're outside with the kitchen set way, people, yeah. Big up yourself. Terry, I got my hat on, brother, yeah. Big up yourself and your wife as well, you understand? A good vibe. We're just fully active right now, people, yeah. It's a proper windy and looks like it's going to be raining said way, but yeah, man, I'm just showing you guys, yeah, different side of Croydon that you really don't know what's going on here. You understand? Bless. Yeah. You really don't know what's going on here. But a good vibe said way. Keep the positive energy and keep the love. So that's where we're coming from down there, yeah. Which is the heart of West Croydon. You understand? And everything happening right there. So on this little main strip here, people, yeah, in West Croydon, you understand? So you understand? Anything can really happen out here on the roadside. So New Jack City, wherever you want to call it. But yeah, man, this is the ghetto side of Croydon, people, yeah, and it's live and it's 24 hours. That is it. You know, say Croydon is known for the Home Office. So right here in Croydon is where they have the Home Office. So a lot of people that are doing asylum seeking, a lot of people that are looking for refuge. What happens? A lot of these individuals, they're placed here and they come here, right here in Croydon, people. Wagwan, you good, yeah? I'm going to cook the soup. I'm going to do the soup. Soup. You good, yeah? I'm going to cook the soup right now. You're going to come link me at the market, yeah?
Looking healthy, man.
Thank you. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, yeah? Bless. Yeah, man, we're outside with the kitchen people, yeah? Happy New Year. God bless. Do you want a coffee or anything?
I would love a hot chocolate, darling.
You'd have to come because I've got this big old thing with me. And
Where are we going to go? Costa or?
McDonald's, any one of them?
Yeah, Costa if that's all right. Thank you, my baby. Did you have a good Christmas?
Yeah, so what's your circumstance?
My ex-partner used to beat me, so I had to leave.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's not, I weren't
Gave me
expecting,
brain damage and epilepsy.
I weren't expecting to hear that.
Yeah, but I'm surviving and I'm a couple of weeks away from getting my flat.
Oh, wow.
I've got a
Good
friend.
Good vibes.
Yeah,
Good vibes.
yeah, got to keep looking up. If you don't look up, you just cry.
So look, how long have you been on the streets for?
3-4 years.
3-4 years, that's a long time though.
But my friend, she lets me stay at night, do you know what I mean? So,
Okay, so you come out in the daytime, try to
Yeah.
make a little change or whatnot.
yeah, because I like to contribute, do you know what I mean?
So you can get a coffee in there?
Yeah,
Alright, cool.
thank you.
We can do, or the least we can do, I should say, is at least get somebody a hot chocolate. The other guy that was by the station there is trying to get him a hot chocolate, but he was so gone out of it with spice. But we try and get, we're getting the lady here a hot chocolate quickly, and we'll get back on the mission, people, yeah? Our good vibes. So, I'm gonna be by the market.
Yeah.
So pop down by the market, come get some food.
Yeah.
You know,
In about an hour?
about an hour. Yeah, I'll be there. Just come get some food.
Yeah. All right, baby. What's your name?
Ringo.
Ringo, I'm Tracy.
Tracy, nice to meet you, yeah?
Nice to meet you, darling. I'll see you in about an hour.
Yeah, one love,
Thank
Tracy.
you, my baby.
Yeah. Yeah, man, our good vibes. Make Tracy get a hot cup of hot chocolate, people, yeah? That is it. You understand? We outside Sedway with the movement, people, yeah? It's busy as up on the high street, Sedway, but guess what, go on? It's our community, so we have to spread the love in our community, people, yeah? That is it. At the same time, we've got a busy high street out here, people, yeah? You understand? People are going about their ways, you understand? And so, after kick off the kitchen, it's a new season, you understand? Luke, what go on? You good, yeah? I'm at the market, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, man. So it's a busy day out here today. Let me say, Happy New Year to each and every one of you that's watching, people. Yeah, just giving you guys a quick insight of Croydon. You understand? You guys already know, but there's always something different going on in the town, people. Yeah. So yeah, man, our good vibes anyway. Look at that. So I started off the pot now, people, yeah, and we're gonna cook some food. So you have to look out for this episode. Happy New Year, people, yeah. So yeah, man, we're there, you understand? We're there by the market. You see us walking through town, you understand? And you see the madness what going on in the town right now, you understand? But we're there right here, so right now, people, yeah, with the kitchen. Happy New Year, people, yeah. Lucky day right there, so our good vibes. One love to each and every one of you that's been watching today, people, yeah. You understand? And be careful out there. And don't take nothing from nobody that you don't know, especially anything that's going into your system that's going to affect you, people, yeah. One love to each and every one of you. When we say, our good vibes. Last thing, I just want to thank each and every one of you that's on the journey with us, that's been a part of the movement, that's been supporting, especially with the GoFundMe, people, yeah. You understand? Big up every single one of you, everybody, yeah. And what I'm going to be doing, because everybody's been saying, oh, Ringo, you need to get a food truck, So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set up another GoFundMe, everybody, yeah. And this one is to aid us, and hopefully we can hit that target very quickly, yeah. And quickly as 2025 runs in, we run up on the road, people, yeah. And we start circling the whole of England, people, yeah, with this mission. One love to each and every one of you, people, yeah. Big up yourself. That is it. Our good vibes. Lucky.
Yes.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you all, and good vibes.
And people, Lucky's been ours for a couple weeks, not forever. We're still on the mission and we're still trying to perfect the journey for Lucky people, yeah. So our good vibes, one love to each and every one of you people, yeah. We outside.
Thank you.
That is it. Same way we at the market people, yeah. So I see you guys again in a shorter while people, yeah. One love. That is it. Our good vibes.